A familiar name enters a completely new era. The Volkswagen ID. Polo marks the transformation of one of the most recognizable compact cars into a fully electric vehicle, re-engineered from the ground up on the MEB Plus platform. It represents a shift not only in propulsion, but in how space, technology, and efficiency come together in a compact form. At first glance, the design is clean and deliberate. This is Volkswagen's pure positive philosophy, defined by clarity, balance, and timeless proportions. The front end is minimal yet expressive, with integrated LED lighting that emphasizes width and identity. Every surface is purposeful, avoiding excess while maintaining a strong visual presence. The proportions tell an important story. With a length of 4,053 millimeters and a wheelbase of 2,600 millimeters, the ID. Polo uses its electric architecture to maximize interior space. Short overhangs and a planted stance give it both agility and stability, while subtle references, like the signature C-pillar, connect it to Volkswagen's heritage. At the rear, the design becomes more assertive. Sculpted surfaces and 3D LED lighting elements create depth and distinction. The illuminated Volkswagen emblem reinforces its modern identity, especially in low-light environments. Inside, the transformation becomes even more apparent. The cabin is designed around usability and clarity. A flat floor and optimized layout create a sense of openness unusual for this segment. The materials and finishes reflect a higher class, with careful attention to detail in stitching, textures, and ambient lighting. At the center of the experience is a fully digital interface. A 10-inch digital cockpit provides essential driving data, while the 13-inch infotainment display acts as the control hub for navigation, media, and connectivity. The system is intuitive, responsive, and supported by voice control, wireless smartphone integration, and over-the-air capabilities. Despite its digital focus, usability remains a priority. Physical controls are retained where precision matters, ensuring that interaction remains natural and distraction-free. Comfort is engineered into every detail. The seats are designed for long-distance support, with optional 12-way adjustment and integrated massage functions, features rarely seen in this class. Dual-zone climate control, heated elements, and customizable ambient lighting elevate the overall driving environment. In the rear, the advantages of the electric platform are clear. Passenger space is generous, and the luggage capacity reaches 441 liters, expanding to 1,240 liters when needed, making the ID. Polo as practical as it is compact. Beneath the surface, the technology defines its character. The ID. Polo is offered with multiple power outputs, reaching up to 155 kilowatts. Paired with a 52 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers a range of up to 455 kilometers under WLTP conditions. For everyday use, a smaller 37 kilowatt-hour battery provides a balance between efficiency and accessibility. Charging is designed to fit modern life. With DC fast charging, the battery can be replenished from 10 to 80% in just over 20 minutes, minimizing downtime and extending usability beyond urban environments. Driving dynamics are equally refined. The front-wheel drive configuration, combined with the low center of gravity from the battery placement, ensures stability and control. One-pedal driving enhances efficiency while simplifying operation, especially in city conditions. Advanced driver assistance systems bring intelligence to the experience. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and connected travel assist work together to support both urban and highway driving. A notable innovation is traffic light recognition, allowing the vehicle to anticipate and respond within system limits, an uncommon feature in this segment. Beyond driving the ID, Polo introduces new forms of utility. With vehicle-to-load capability, it can supply up to 3.6 kilowatts of power to external devices, effectively transforming the car into a mobile energy source for everyday and outdoor use. The ID. Polo is not defined by a single feature, but by how all elements come together: design, technology, efficiency, and practicality. It carries forward the legacy of a global bestseller while redefining its purpose for an electric future. This is not simply the next generation of the Polo. It is a complete reinvention of what a compact car can be.